Okay, I'm going to take a little walk on my flooded street, even though I've already done this today and I'm not looking forward to it. But I want you guys to see what's going on. These are very important kayak shoes. The water has gone down in the last half hour because it was up to about here before. This is where my car is usually parked. Because I knew the storm was coming, I parked on the other side of the street and up higher. But I still had to go rescue it during the biggest part of the storm. Not sure I want to walk any farther because it's already up to my knees and it's just going to get deeper. I'm going to walk the other direction. You can see the water line here from before. Much better here. This is what I had to walk through to move my car earlier. It's pretty deep. And it was pouring down rain, like raining sideways. So despite the umbrella, I was soaked. There's my baby on someone's front lawn, which was the highest and driest place I could find. Maybe I should go farther just to show you guys how deep it is. I can swim. Not that I really want to in this. Cars are running. That's a good sign. If I end up having to leave my car there, I can take the streetcar to work. There's the fire hydrant. It's drowning. We can move this car into the neutral ground because it was drowning.